In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your entire life with Google Calendar productivity systems. First off, let's talk about creating multiple life calendars to effectively categorize all aspects of your life. This is about breaking down your life into manageable sections and assigning distinct calendars and colors to each. For instance, blue for work or business, green for personal life, orange for health and fitness, and so on. This way, you can easily toggle each calendar on or off, either focusing on one specific area or getting a comprehensive view of your entire schedule. Next is time blocking. This concept goes beyond just tracking meetings. It's about scheduling every aspect of your day. Think about your morning routine, perhaps between 7 to 8 a.m., where you combine a workout with breakfast. Then move on to a deep work block from 9 to 12 p.m. for focused client projects. Remember to schedule time for admin tasks such as emails and calls in the afternoon. The idea is to protect your priorities by having them laid out rather than left to chance. Now let's utilize recurring events for habits and routines. By turning your daily habits into calendar entries, you convert them from maybes into commitments. For example, schedule your workouts every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 a.m. or reserve reading time every night at 9 p.m. This method solidifies habits as a part of your daily and weekly schedule. For task management, leverage Google Tasks right within your calendar. Use it to list out your to-dos and actually drag these into specific time slots to convert them into real actionable tasks. If, say, writing a blog post is on your list, block time from 10 to 12 p.m. to sit down and write it. This bridges the gap between having a list of tasks and effectively managing your time around them. To reduce decision fatigue, consider organizing your week with themed days. Assign each day a particular focus to streamline tasks and minimize switching contexts. Mondays could be dedicated to meetings and planning, Tuesdays to deep work, Wednesdays to marketing and content creation, and so forth. It's about creating a rhythm and sticking to it, helping maintain consistency and focus throughout the week. Don't forget to plan life just as meticulously as you do work. That includes appointments like doctor's visits, errands like grocery shopping, family events, and self-care activities. Scheduling these ahead ensures they don't get lost in the cracks of a busy life. Additionally, incorporate weekly and monthly planning rituals. Spend some time each Sunday night to reflect on the past week, align your priorities, and prepare for the weeks ahead. Similarly, conduct a monthly reset by checking in on long-term goals and integrating milestones right into your calendar. Finally, make use of integrations and automation to make life easier. Link your Gmail to add emails directly to your calendar, sync meeting notes from Google Keep, or use apps like Zapier to automate tasks across different platforms. Automating these processes reduces manual scheduling and allows you to focus more on executing tasks. By employing these new systems, you'll increase your productivity and balance across all areas of your life effortlessly.